Driving in the street with our tell me company, you know. That's what I'm saying. You understand? Let's go, let's go. Right now, this is an artist which is taking the airways of Jamaica. This is ecology. Everybody seems to want peace. I have no idea. Right now, man, can't go in a war in Jamaica. Martin, check it out on YouTube. Simple Assassin is in the war as well. Do look out for Assassin. Coming in England most definitely, so do look out for that artist between now and September. Nice and easy. Pull up that tune one more time, DJ Marty. Big up Davina, you don't know Davina, real big girl. You don't understand, bigging up Rawpa, Crawpa and D-Row. Big up Davina. One more time, DJ Marty. One 276-232. You wanna get through to us? You get through to us by the BlackBerry as well. Or on the internet. You can Facebook me at DJ Paradise Red Alert Sound, DJ Bounty Red Alert Sound, DJ Fire Ash MNG. You can tweet us at DJ Fire Ash, or you can tweet DJ Paradise at one DJ Paradise. Nice and easy. Going up to the hours of 4 o'clock, and trust me, I'm matching in my life. Ash coming up with that mad interview, so don't look out for that. Nice and easy. You can now get Genesis Radio on the go. Check out the tuning app on the Android or the iPhone and the Blackberries. Search for Genesis Radio and you will listen crackle free. Nice and easy. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome to Genesis Radio.co.uk, DJ Paradise, DJ Fire Ash, DJ Bounty in the mix, the thing turn up, you understand what I mean? Rawpa, Crawpa in the building, Foota stamp, well stamping at the building, you understand what I mean? To the top, you understand? Turn up Tuesday, this is how we do it on Genesis Radio.co.uk, the party capital of London. Do you remember you can get through to us by the BlackBerry, the iPhone, you understand? And by the Android as well. Check us out at Facebook at Genesis Radio. Tweet us. Anything you want to do, you understand? GenesisRadio.co.uk. This is the thing. Turn up. DJ Bounty, please the next radio for us, please. Remember the 25th, Crawpa, the 25th of August. The unique company presents a thing called the Summer Wave.
Down the road, we are lead, we're not even gonna take it back. Not even gonna give them for a little license. They can't pay no red road, so they get a big for a long time. That's how we think that. Nicely.
You're listening to the Fiesta rhythm. I don't think this rhythm could ever die out. The rhythm that just come up continuously. Hey, look upon the people that went to the Olympics. Remember on the hours of 4 o'clock we'll be taking a break. After the breaks, listen, right, and she's gonna do some interviews. Alright.
They got the name, they got the one to feel complete. Everybody in the time of need and down in the one to do what they want. So they got the feel.
We got the Brixton crew, we're just logging on. Nice and easy. We got my family there. Hey! Big up all the people that are enjoying the sun in the park at the moment, wherever you are. Big up yourself.
In the time of need.
Genesis, London's only #1 station.
That's well.
I'm going on mix in the studio. And I'm not talking recording mixes, live mixes in the studio at the moment. DJ Bounty, straight shellings. My Ash will be coming up next with a great interview in the building. So don't you dare miss it. Party capital of London, genesisradio.co.uk. DJ Paradise, DJ Fire, and DJ Bounty in the mix. Party capital of London. Remember that the studio line is 07931 276 232. Drop me a text, drop me a ping. Let me know what's going on. You wanna pick up a friend? Drop me a text, drop me a ping. Definitely read it out for you. Yeah, the ting turn up, the ting turn up. Let's go, let's go. Ready to turn up today, ready to turn up today. About 2 weeks before the Olympics started. Don't tell me the Olympics start already. I'm getting confirmation that the Olympics will be starting on Friday. You understand me? I'll football match up later. Alright, we just want to squeeze it up again. My God. The time fly fast. Red Bull, keep up. Come like me need a Red Bull, you know. To keep up with the Olympics. About 4.5 minutes before we evacuate the building until 4 o'clock after. Then after 4 o'clock we'll be back. But don't you dare change that down. Shout outs to Mr. C, we're locked on. Between time and between time. Shout Shout out to Mr. C, Mr. C, big up yourself. You think nice, you think turn up. Or I should say Junior C, big up yourself. Big up Brackish for the thing well turn up, the thing turn up.
One of them extraordinary afternoon where it's like you're not even know which part to start. But you don't know how the music can guide with. So we'll start with the intro, then we don't know, so you're locked into genesis.co.uk. You can also email us at genesisradio@hotmail.co.uk. You can text us through the line of 07947 543 441. Alternatively, you can contact us on 07931 276 232. You don't know, so you're locked into Turn Up Tuesdays, Red Alert, Party and Paradise in the building. Myself, Fire Ash, MNG, we're repping this thing. So this afternoon I have a chance to interview one of the up-and-coming artists them in the UK doing things right now.
You're listening to Genesis.
Yes, sir.
Educating the nation.
And you know, more time this artist don't even need an introduction in the car. Some of them just powerful like that. The music speak for themselves. You see when this man introduce himself, he not even have to say a name. Cause him a bad like that, me I tell you. I know some Genesis when I ramp them thing around us, so I bring in the artist and I want get me make him say what man. You see?
Genesis! Don't know the Rawpa Crawpa there, you know. You say me I say vibes. Mother! Turn Up Tuesday! Black till me burn up myself! Fire! Mother!
Okay.
So good afternoon, sir. How you doing?
I'm not everything blessed no papa. I'm there, you know, it's representing.
Oh. So I don't say upon the circuit for a little while. That means you must in at the lab. Well, go on, wait, how you are dealing?
No, you don't know, sir. Me always out on the circuit and me in the lab see him. Remember, I see one name Anonymous, you know. I say production status Anonymous. So even sometimes I get on the street, just still not see me. But me did it. And a crazy thing I go on the lab. See him here.
Oh. So, Mr. For YouTube, where you have one tune named Fly Away. No, I have to tell you something about your vibes and thing, you know. You're going on the proper direction the way you take UK to another level. What kind of inspiration you have when you make your music, make you think of them concept then?
I ain't just joke, you know, say I just everyday life as usual, you know, that's so thing, man. So me I say, Fly Away is just about relationship, how a female make you feel. So me I say, you know, the whole of the love the girl them. You see me? So, easy inspiration as well.
So, what your artist inspiration them in the music game will kind of make you feel like you want to take up that something else?
Alright, you know, say from back then, alright. Merciless, Bounty Killer, Ninja Man and them man, that's what I say. That's what upcoming nothing over there, can't tell me the same way.
Me here, you're my boss. So, let the people them know who you are, and where you can be over the next whatever year, next 2 years, whatever. What is your planning on the music game?
You know, so I be things that right now I want to take it into a different level. Because as we say, Fly Away and tune it's not the normal dancehall thing. So I say it's a different thing. So right now, how I do music, I do it, I not no limit, no levels, I do everything right now. So you see, within the next few years, you can see me all about, you can see me everywhere. You see me, because watch you know, the works I put in, and some great works I put in, and the fans must support the thing, and the fans love the thing. You see fire, mad. Yeah man, the thing turn up man, thing are going well. Yeah man, thing are going well. You see my boss.
So, what kind of tune you deal with right now? Cause most of the people them more time when we log in for the radio, them hear couple tune and them always opinion and them are dialing and say, yo, who's the artist there? Who is the artist there? What kind of tunes they do already make them know say who it is? What kind of tunes they can look up for YouTube and all them something?
I know say find YouTube and via the net or the web, my catalog big. You see, for radio, most of my tune them not really radio friendly because they say me out and bad, me think too slack. But it's me I say, but you don't know when I left your never stop and pass.
You're listening to Genesis.
If I do a crap, I could have. It's me.
You see the thing, man? Now tell us the thing, man, you know. So, you ever work with anybody famous in your own eyes? You would have seen them kind of famous and you ever make a tune with them, make you feel like, yo, me know some thing I get up there, so.
Alright, yeah, me have a few collabos still, man. You don't know back now, you don't know gigs out there, man, gigs though. Tune already. Already me their language already. Me say plate clap, not really plate clap, but the indecent language already, man. So me I say, and I'm bag of things, and me also Lisa hype as well. Have a thing and a little thing what me not put you out there yet. And right about now in the process, I think I got drop with me and Macadam and soon. So me I say so then if you just hear the tune and listen to that one. I be the things that come up there. You know, I know each thing.
Yeah,
I would say not each thing, so I know each thing proper.
So talking about each. Me say a little thing on YouTube, you had a little unofficial video for not each for sure. How you that think we had to make that little something there?
Alright, no, you see, if you show now it's like we now see me award and probably a couple of them say my name to win it. So me I say, so that's why I say my back mouth again just like a mosquito. They not bad, they stuff like Paita. So me I say, how they feel like? You see me work that booking.
Alright. So make the people them know how they can contact you if they want to get in touch with you, all them something. What kind of contact details they have? Make them know when they can reach you.
Alright, they can contact me and can also contact management, French Touch, Facebook page, Emmanuel Akezi. You see me I say SA First Lady. You see me French Touch. Also Rawpa Crawpa website www.rawpacrawpa.com.
So you said Facebook Friday, when that start again, you know?
This Friday, man.
This Friday? Swimwear? Oh my God. Are you not saying the weather just get warmer? That means that Friday have to start come out with nothing on, you know? When I say absolutely nothing on, because that is absolutely illegal, but you get me, we're endorsing something. So, Facebook Friday, where we can go to Facebook Friday, how much to get in, my boss?
That's fine for you know, a cheap thing. I don't feel community, you know? Yeah. But one thing, you can let up and the girl ever come splash out the something.
So, Foota, you know say, from the day we did a cup of feeling that the little thing and them something, where you go and cry, so? You must say a little advert for me for my birthday with Stammer and they come like you just drop off of the music scene. What going on this?
No man, we just want a back page and go and watch you right now and ready for the thing there.
You don't know my birthday come up again September, it's just over a month ago.
I've got this birthday sitting for you.
So you don't know say where you in the studio?
Long time, link up
next advert party on them something.
Link up Stammer, one phone call, you know.
And you don't know say Genesis is there, you know. So you have to endorse the thing. We have to say to the people in Facebook Fridays like a nice round there, sir.
Well, look, but that's why everybody come out there and them full numbers, you know, because you know, so every first and last Friday we are doing it. But if it's set good, we are going to do it every Friday. Because we don't business with nobody later now. We are pet people and them are going on the thing. So we don't have business with nobody now. So we just every Friday if anything goes on. Alright, you can't say anything every Friday. But I know this month that next month I don't first and last.
May I say, enough man on road say blood is thicker than water and your friend is better than pocket money. So I have to ask the question there, if every Friday now go, oh we have to share out the money because you don't know if I actually have him thing down a Mekan every month. If only have Facebook Friday 2 weeks out of the month, and that's at the next month I saw cat would turn up. What space is left for anybody else out there for anything? And that may I ask you?
Boy, to be honest, you know, space left for nobody else, you know. Because we must take 2 Fridays out of the month, because you know, usually I used to every Friday. I would start put some man and say, alright then, we give some man some beer time. But if it's a go around the thing for Ash, then we're going to do every Friday. But you understand this man, so we love it this, you feel me?
And you don't know, we say coming from this Friday, Facebook will go on. 17th of next month, we say champagne for the girls. So rock back on a spin. Down on Bloods, Mekan, Bramley Road. Catford, but don't take over the spot. You don't agree there again? Every third Friday down at Sanctuary Bar, right beside the post office opposite the toll on this up. Yeah, 24th and next month also. When they say stars in the manor. I said Genesis down a curve bar. Alan Brando, Fire Ash, Red Alert, Crystal Blue, Epic International, Little Mama. You don't know how we set up the thing. So we have to give thanks, give thanks, give thanks. Bless up everybody, bless up everybody. Good evenings, good evenings, good evenings and aliens to all of the people. You don't know, say, Tuesday name it Turn Up Tuesday, so we have to interview the artists them. We interview the artists them. And we have to say hello to the ladies them in the last half, yeah. So you don't know, so we're showing them normal, it turn up, it turn up. So we have spent some money with their cats for dinner. So we have to make them youth, they know, so we have still have enough things. Why them ask me why we still have enough things to tell them why? Because we have enough of this, man. Blue. Big son, man.
Listen. Keys it. Let you get to youth. If you don't make sense.
Raw. Well, the mother fire don't say nothing. DJ Biggs in the building. And we use Facebook. And it's a good look. Is it? People. So remember this Friday, the only place to be is Catford. Place to the Heroes House. Alright, this is the fun the bounty. And we use Facebook, you know. Everybody start look. One to them. Fire for them, I'm tell you something, stop play sound. Alright, we take about the thing again. Mother Road. But them no bad like we. And we set the trend. That's how I want to order this year, you know. Now the people them know where the fun they, you know. So it's one of the people them know where the fun they are the greatest thing. Genesis! But them say Tuesday even turn up. Is it?
Yep. Welcome back to GenesisRadio.co.uk. DJ Paradise, DJ Fire Ash, DJ Bounty in the mix. Crazy interview a while ago with Rawpa, Crawpa, DJ Biggs, and then Foota stamped, well stamped. You understand? Facebook Friday, do look out for that. This Friday coming. Heroes. Yeah, the pizza, where is it? The Domino's Pizza on Brownie Road. Do remember to check out that event, it turn up. Do remember that the studio line is 07931276232. And the email address is genesisradio@hotmail.co.uk. And the website is www.genesisradio.co.uk. Pick up all my global listeners and my local listeners, the team turn up. This is how we do it on genesisradio.co.uk. Kick it off like a bonfire ash.
Who's number one? We don't fight for nobody, but we respect everybody.
You're listening to genesisradio.co.uk.
Who's number one? We don't fight for nobody, but we respect everybody. And we better than everybody. So we will run with anybody. Who's number one?
Big up all the people that making it to the Olympics at the moment. Or going to the Olympics. Big up yourself.
Yes, no, yes, no. I will put it on. I'm not going to eat some food and whatever takes too much time.
No, Rawpa, Crawpa, they have to go Facebook Friday. What was that? Not yes, yes, gone. Boom, Facebook Friday. Hold up, lock till me burn up.
Facebook Friday, this Friday, and each. No, not every each and every Friday, but every first and last Friday until then drown you. We don't eat every Friday. You see me? Because we love when people eat food, you know, and we share the thing, not the same. Can't put no food again.
Let's go. Genesis Radio, that good at UK, the party capital of London. DJ Paradise, DJ Foota, DJ Fire, Ash in the building. Welcome to GenesisRadio.co.uk. DJ Paradise, DJ Fire, Ash in the mix. Everything nice, everything top. You don't know Rawpa, Crawpa in the building. Foota Star Mix. The thing nice. Do remember Facebook Fridays. This Friday coming. Do check out that event in Catford. Most definitely. Do check out on the 25th of August as well. The Unique Family presents a thing called Summer Wave. Do look out for that event. The Unique Family. You understand? So check out that event. It's crazy. And do remember on the 24th, Genesis Radio, Fire Ash and DJ Paradise presents a thing called You Don't Know Stars in the Manor. We started the Fire Ash Curve Bar. The thing turn up the 24th. Only for artists and thing about pastors. So do check out that event as well on the 24th. Let's get back into the juggling. from Epic International. They have been served you live interview with Alizé next week, so do check that out. Live interview from Jamaica. Check that interview out on GenesisRadio.com.uk, same timing. Watch the one with 34 minutes past the hour 4. Most definitely with the eye. Yeah, we're gonna be playing some party rhythms for the summer, most definitely coming up. Party rhythms, party rhythms. This rhythm is called a summer wave rhythm. If you have a body, you need to go get it. Gaza Slim with independent ladies.